Factory accessory bag for tensile testing machine GBL-H2. This is the power cord. This is the communication cable between the USB port and the software. These are the two accessories of the puncture clamp. Then here are the 4 rubber pads for the stretching fixture. This is a hex wrench. This is a cross screwdriver that comes with it. It comes with a cutting board. One is a right-angled here, and the other one is a cutting plate for a stretch strip. Take out the power cord, plug in the instrument. Press the power button to turn it on. This is the main interface. Then click Settings. Enter the Settings interface. Our experimental type of tensile testing machine. There are 5 functions in total. Switched, stripping, heat sealing, tearing. Puncture these 5 functions. The current use is a tensile test. Then set the experimental speed according to requirements. Normally, we set the 300 gauge distance. It is a distance between the upper and lower fixture set at 50. Sample width, input, 15. The thickness of the sample is the actual measured thickness value. Set it according to your sample. Then the fracture condition is 75%. Return speed setting 500. Then the position control input 0. Preload force input 0.1. Pre-add displacement input 0. This brake mode and return mode are selected automatically. Then after setting up, we click on the home page. Then click Test. Click to clear. Take out the cut sample. Loosen the furniture first. The edge of this product should be attached to the edge of the upper fixture. The bottom is also the edge of the sample, which should be pasted on the edge of the lower fixture. See if the sample is vertical up and down. Lock, if yes. After locking, this sample is completed. We click to run. So here's the curve. This is the experimental process, a current force value. This is a real-time distortion of the experimental process. This is a moving distance in real time. This is the speed of operation. And here you can see the current experimental paradigm. Then this shows the number of our experiments. This is a maximum force value of the experiment. Knee force, tensile strength, elongation and weight. Test data. After the experiment, we click on the home page. Then click report. You can look at the data we have done in the past. Click report settings. Can set execution standards. Name of experimental environment. Experimenter. Experimental unit. Then click return after setting up. You can click to print the report. Now replace the piercing fixture. Loosen this nut first, then take this off. Take it out. Loosen this nut above as well. Take this down. Then we install a lower base for this puncture. Plug this latch in. Tighten the nut after plugging it in. Then install this fixture. To install this fixture, you need to click up. After judging the approximate position, click stop. Then insert this latch. Nutmeg. Piercing fixture installed. Now we're going to the puncture sample. Let this go. Take this lid out. We put the cut samples on it. Then cover the sample with this lid. The sample is installed. Click on the home page. Click Settings. Then choose the type of experiment. Puncture judgment method and return method. Select automatic experiment. Change the speed to 100. Set your thickness according to your sample. The current sample we are going to use is 0.015 thickness. Other settings remain unchanged. Return to the test interface after setting up and click Clear. Click to run. This is movement in real time. This is a live force value. This is deformation data. This is the real-time curve. So here's the number of trials. Current 1, maximum force, and 1 puncture intensity. Then repeat the operation until the set of experiments. Back to homepage. Click to report. You can view the puncture experiments we did before. Then click Print Report. Can print all report data. Connect the computer data cable at the communication interface of the instrument. Insert the USB stick into the computer. Find the corresponding software. Zip copy to computer. Unzip. Find the GBL-H app. Double-click to open. Enter the account password on the login interface. After entering the software interface, first click Communication Serial Port Settings. Select the native string slowly. Then click the communication port to connect. Wait a moment. There's data on the left. The connection is successful. You can choose the type of experiment here. Take tensile testing for example. Parameter settings in the pop-up. Fill in the experimental parameters. Judgment return. Select automatic. Sample width and thickness are filled in according to the actual situation. Standard distance, default 50. The speed of the tensile test is generally selected at 300. After filling it out, click OK in the lower right corner. Follow the previous steps. Load the instrument. Click the Reset Run icon. After the experiment was stopped, clickable test results. Review the experimental data. Repeat the above steps until a set of appropriate tests are completed. Click to save the experimental data. You can modify the data name according to your own needs. Click OK. Then click Generate Report. Fill in the parameters truthfully and complete. Click OK. You can see the experimental test report. Connect the printer. You can click to print directly. You can also click Export. Save the report on your computer. The operation demonstration of GBL-H2 is over. Thanks for watching.